I say with us is Enrique Stolman, former Namibia under 20 player also, and Namibia Sevens player, representing Trustco United today. You guys made it. I think you made it into the semi-finals now. It's confirmed. So with the win against the Western Suburbs. So how do you feel that match went?
To be honest, it was tough. The guys, they played hard, but from our side, I think I'll say we stepped up a bit from this morning game from Rehoboth. A loss that we stood out, but we stepped up. It was hard. We gave it our best, and now we're just focusing on the next, just to improve every game step by step, and take it game by game.
Yeah, so it would be an honor to win this tournament. Some nice teams in the Premier Division. How would you feel about playing in the knockouts?
To play in the knockouts, it's really an achievement from last year. And last year we just fell short from the semis, but if we win this, it will be for the past 10 years that the first team won this. So after 10 years, it will be the first time that the Premier League team wins the United Tennis Side tournament.
I say good luck to you guys in the knockouts.
Thank you.